The sexual history of a victim of sexual assault may no longer be used against her in court. The Law Ministry plans to remove a part of the law that provides for this. This in response to a move by women's group Aware in October to repeal Section 157D of the Evidence Act. Sarah Gross with more.
The occasion was to launch a sexual assault befriender service. But women's group Aware also received good news from Law Minister K. Shanmugam.
It is my intention to recommend the repeal of this particular subsection of the Evidence Act. Parliament has got to approve it, but it's certainly my view that it should not exist.
The subsection that Mr. Shanmugam refers to is Section 157D. It states that when a man is prosecuted for rape, it may be shown that the victim was of generally immoral character. Aware took issue with this phrase on the grounds that it suggested that it was originally targeted at unchaste women. Mr. Shanmugam says such views should not find any expression in Singapore's law.
That a woman's sexual history would show whether she is of moral or immoral character, and if she is sexually promiscuous, then she is immoral, and therefore she should be less likely to be believed. I think that's frankly repugnant.
Now, Aware ran a 6-month pilot support service for victims of sexual assault, and one of their findings was that there was a very low rate of police reports made. Now, Aware says one reason why victims may not make a police report is because they are fearful that their past sexual history may be used against them. Aware says if this subsection is repealed, victims of sexual assault will be better protected.
Sexual assault victims who are actually giving testimony in court, which is already a very difficult thing to do, at least they will not have their sexual history raked up because of this section, except where the defense can prove that it is relevant.
The bill will be brought up in Parliament in the first half of next year.